Good morning children, welcome back to English class. In today's session, we will discuss workbook part of 6th unit. Everybody open page number 211. Reading comprehension. First, I'll read the paragraph, okay? Then I will answer the questions. Swami had always slept beside his granny in the porch. The two always had their beds side by side. Any change in this arrangement kept him trembling and awake all night. He hoped at first that father was only joking. He tried to change the topic by saying, "Father, our captain says we shall have some elders also in our cricket club. He has asked me to tell you. We'll see about that later." Father cutting. Hereafter you must sleep alone. Right? So now let us see the answers. Where did Swami always sleep? Where he used to sleep always? Swami always slept beside his granny. Granny means grandmother. So always he used to sleep beside of his grandmother. Okay. Next one. How did Swami feel if at all his granny was not sleeping beside him? So if any change in that, how would he feel always? He felt trembling and lay awake all night. So he used to be frightened and he couldn't be able to sleep at all. He used to awake all the night. If his granny is not there, he used to awake all the night. Next. What did Swami hope? Swami hoped that his father was joking. So when his father said, "You need to sleep alone first," and he hoped that he must be joking. Okay. Next. How did Swami change the topic? Swami changed the topic by telling about his cricket club. Next. Why did Swami try to change the topic? Swami didn't want to sleep alone. Obviously, he couldn't sleep alone. That's why he wanted to change the topic. And of course, he was scared of darkness. So he tried to change the topic. Right? So in this way, you need to answer the questions. Next, page number 213. Some opposite words are there, children. Make a note of that in your homework book and learn those words. What is first one? Usual. Usual opposite? Unusual. Confident? Doubtful. Peace? Disturbance. Understanding? Misunderstanding. Trouble? Ease. I repeat. Usual? Unusual. Confident? Doubtful. Peace? Disturbance. Understanding? Misunderstanding. Trouble? Ease. Okay. Next. Page number 214. Continue, discontinue. Reply, question. Rise, fall. Rescue, endanger. Faith, disbelief. Okay. Next one. Next page also some opposite words are there. Just have a look. Page number 215. Entered, exited. Dangerous, harmless. Weep, laugh or rejoice. Strange, familiar. Lead, follow. Okay. Learn all these words, children. Write all these words in your homework book and learn. Okay. Next one. Coming to creative writing. Page number 216. First question. Do you remember the time when you started sleeping alone? Or are you still scared to sleep alone? Write a paragraph about your experience when you tried sleeping alone initially. So children, you are into 7th class now. So how many of you are sleeping alone? Can you sleep alone? Are you still scared of sleeping alone? So if at present, if you are sleeping alone, just try to recall those days when you used to be scared of sleeping alone. Or if still you are not able to sleep, why, and what could be the reason, you need to explain here. Or this is all about your experience. You need to write about your own experience. And when you started sleeping alone, how did you feel initially? About that experience you need to mention. So write this one as a paragraph. This comes under description, which is a major discourse, children. Okay. Next one. Let us see the second question. What it is? Page number 217. Second question. Write a narrative essay on a visit to Charminar about 200 words. So this is essay writing. So we know how to write this one, right? Even this is also comes under major discourse. We need to divide this one into 3 parts. First one must be introduction part, children. Just you need to give a brief introduction about the topic within one or two lines. And next one, you need to write about the topic. Describe the topic. Okay. And last one must be your conclusion. Even conclusion also, just conclude this one. So everyone must have visited Charminar, right? So you know where is it located, how it looks like, and what can we find there, how can we enjoy there, what can we see there. About all you need to write it. Okay. So just do one thing, children. In your homework book today, write this question and learn. Okay. That is second question. And third question not yet finished. Coming to page number 218, children. Look at the fourth question. Design a poster to spread social awareness and to carry out a cleanliness campaign. So this is about what, children? Poster making. Poster making comes under minor discourse. It will be given for you in exam for 8 marks, children. So how to design a poster? So design means here how to make it. First we need to make this one in a rectangular box. In poster even we can draw the pictures which are related to the topic. You can use even crayons or color pencils as well. Give one suitable title. First write the heading poster and then give one suitable title. Then draw the pictures related to that, and even you can write slogans also. Okay, see here what is this poster is about. You need to design a poster to spread social awareness and to carry out a cleanliness campaign. So cleanliness is very much important, right, children? Okay, so if we maintain cleanliness, if we keep our surroundings very neat and clean, obviously we can save ourselves from very dangerous diseases. So that's why it is important to keep our surroundings always neat and clean. So you also at home, try to clean your room by yourself. Don't depend upon your mother or someone else for each and everything. And also don't make or keep your room messy. It's your responsibility to make it neat, right? Always your things, keep them in a good manner, order. Okay. And so here, if you look at the title, it's what it is, children? Keep your city clean. Be the change. Okay. So keep your city clean. Be the change. Draw the picture like that. Okay. So two pictures are there, right? So you can draw the pictures like that. And you can use the sentences, slogans like this. First one is what? Use dustbins to throw garbage. Second one, do not litter any park or public places. Third one, do not spit in open areas. Fourth one, don't throw fruit peel or empty cans or bottles on streets or roads. Last one, volunteer to clean surroundings once in a month and inform if garbage on roadside is not cleared on time. So these are like some guidelines. In this way, we need to design a poster. And at the end of this poster, we need to write who issued this poster. So this poster was issued by whom? Issued in public interest by Forum of Citizens for a Clean City. And if you need any further information, you can contact the number as well. So one number is given. So in this way, you need to design a poster, children. Have a look. Okay. Next, second question. Page number 219. Write a dialogue between a student and a teacher who happened by chance to meet in the market. Okay, see here, dialogue writing means what? Conversation writing. This one comes under major discourse, children. You will get this one for 12 marks in examination. Okay, so this format, actually this is a dialogue between teacher and student. That means conversation between teacher and student. So one day what happened? By chance, both of them met in a market. So then in that situation, what could be the possible conversation between teacher and student? In that way, you need to write. So student, good evening ma'am, what a pleasant surprise seeing you here. So like that, right? So you do one thing, imagine yourself in that situation. So for example, one day you went to market. So there suddenly you happen to meet one of your teachers. So that could be anyone. Then what could be the conversation? What would you like to talk with him or her? So write that one in the form of conversation. In this way, you need to write conversation. Okay. Next one, page number 220. Sixth question. You are Anita, studying at Father Daniel School, Nagpur. You have received a letter from your mother who has asked you to describe your new school. Now, write a letter to your mother describing your new school. So here, you need to imagine yourself as Anita. So this is letter writing. Comes under which letter, children? So it's a informal letter because here you are writing this letter to your mother. That's why this one comes under informal letter. Actually, you are studying at Father Daniel School, Nagpur. Okay, and one day you have received letter from your mother, and in that letter your mother asked you to describe your new school. That's why you are writing letter. In that case, how can you write a letter? So that is about this letter writing. So with this we have finished creative writing and reading comprehension part of this lesson, children. Okay, in next class I'll explain you B reading, that is my nasty adventure. Okay, so today's homework is write all those opposite words in your homework book and write essay writing about the visit of Charminar and lawn. Okay, thank you.